What up? Today we are going to be talking about 3 reasons why I love iMovie so much. Let's get into it. Alright, the first reason why I love iMovie so much is because it's very beginner friendly, super simple, very easy to use. Okay. Alright, so we're going to share our screen, and when we have iMovie actually opened up, so this is what I mean when I say that it's really simple. Okay, so we could go to create new, and then movie, and then bam, guess what? You ready to start editing. And let's say we just want to grab this from over here. The second reason why I love iMovie so much is because of the organization. So when you go in here, if we share our screen, if you go in here, you'll see that this was a movie we were just working on, or a video we was just working on. This is a video we were just working on. So I love that when you open up iMovie, you come in here and you can see all of the videos that you were working on, and it's in chronological order. Make it very simple, sweet, and short to the point. Third reason why I love iMovie so much is because it is free. It's free 99. It comes with any new Macs that you may buy, your iMac or your MacBook Pro, MacBook Airs. It also comes on your iPad and your iPhone as well. So if you like, well, I don't really know if I'm really into video editing, or I just need to do something really quickly, this is definitely the solution for you. Let me know in the comments if you currently work on iMovie, either for your phone, iPad, or iMac, and also let me know what features you like about it most. We'll see you in the next video.